So if I can say anything to anybody that watches this, don't expect SEO to start for you to start getting hundreds of phone calls right off the bat. It's just, that's not the process. And if you understand that going into it, then you can appreciate what's going on every week. The one thing I did not expect from this SEO service was how many sites were being built month in and month out. And it got to the point, and it's at the point where we're really trying to think of other areas that we can go to and other sites that we can build. And I enjoy that a lot, because it helps fill in all of those holes in when you're out with your online presence that you don't realize there's a hole there. So constantly going back and tweaking it and adding sites and backlinks and all of those things are tremendous. It's not something that I could do on my own, nor do we have the ability to have a team behind us to do that. We do with JRA. So having them on the back end just grow on the back end, it's a big deal for any small business out there or small junk company. So I highly recommend using JRA for your SEO services. When you break down the cost of what it is, it's quite reasonable as well. It only takes that one call coming in organically that didn't cost you anything, that changes the dynamics of how much you generate and your revenue that you generate. Again, it might take a little bit of time, but once you get there, you'll start noticing the revenues increasing, your ad spends are going down. The organic side is, I truly recommend it. Once you're footed in the organic side, there's no going back. Nobody can take that away from you. So that's really all I have to say about the SEO.
Perfect. Well, we very much so appreciate that. It's great to hear that you are loving our SEO services and you have seen growth from that. That's our long-term goal, especially with SEO. Is there anything else you'd like to say about JRA?
Great company. However this gets edited, I don't know. But I feel like JRA really cares about the little guy. One thing Shane told me is that Lee took so long trying to figure it out, and so many mistakes were made. And I've gone through those mistakes, trying to figure out how to remove something, where to spend, how to be efficient, all of those things. And that is a big, expensive learning curve in the junk business. If you can have somebody that helps you shorten that curve or lessen that curve, and it's not so expensive, and you're able to get from point A to point B much quicker and with somebody's help, that's where JRA has impacted us, specifically on the SEO side.
Good. Well, Lee always says the goal of JRA is to help junk removal businesses make more money and live a better life. So hopefully that is something we've done for you over the last couple of months. But awesome. All right. I think that's all we have for today. Andrew, once again, thank you for coming on and talking about JRA.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks, Carly.